Friends, welcome to channel 11 TV. Today I am going to show you how to reset your PC. Suppose your system is not performing well and it's taking lot of time and you wanted to reset entire your PC or you wanted to reinstall only OS. I will show you the steps here and it's very easy and quick, and for that you have to go to your setting. So settings are available. If you wanted to for the first time, you can search here settings and it will show here in best match. And if you open, after you open, this window will come. Here we have different kinds of options, and from here you have to select update and security. So if you read here, for update and inside update and security, you are going to do Windows update, recovery and backup. Select this option, or you can go directly also here by searching Windows update and setting. Also if you open it will directly come to this screen only. So either you can go from settings or from search also you can come to directly Windows update settings. This section will open. Here you have different kinds of options available. One is backup and Windows update. If you wanted to any pending updates for Windows, it will show here. And for hours, you have to select recovery. Inside recovery, there is a two options available. One is reset this PC or advanced setup. So our goal is to reset our PC. So this is the option we have to select, and you please go through these details to better understanding. And suppose without suppose yet suppose if you wanted to, suppose you are facing some issues, and at a time instead of going to directly to reset this PC, you can select this option also. If you run the troubleshooter, and it might fix your issues, so try this option first before going to resetting this PC. Even though it's not suppose even though if you try this option it's not fixing, then you come to this option. So resetting this PC means few PC is not running well, resetting it might help. This lets you to choose to keep your personal files or remove them and then reinstall Windows. So we have two options. If you wanted to reinstall only, or if you wanted to reinstall and remove the files, you can do these two steps here. And let's get started. So I already reset my PC by removing all files. If you observe here, so my drives are empty. I just restore few files, except that only Windows and those files are available. I reset my PC completely by choosing this option. Now I am not doing reset. I'll show you the steps. So once you click the get started, you will get this option. So first option is keep my files. So what is that? Remove apps and settings but keep your personal files. So yeah, as I mentioned, if you wanted to reinstall only reinstall your Windows OS, select this option. So let's try that. To these options you will get, and how would you like to reinstall Windows, from the cloud or from local reinstall. So normally storage in your local. So normally I choose the local reinstall because sometimes our internet not always not stable. So here additional settings, in additional, suppose if in additional setting you can choose some more options. So if you want you can, so by setting the choose options. So here two options are available: restore pre-installed apps. So, so at the beginning you will get some pre-installed apps. So if you wanted to restore, you could select yes or no. download Windows, reinstall Windows from this device. So if you click yes, it will download that Windows to your machine and install. So it depends on you which one either of these you can select. There is no issue. Once you done, please click confirm, and those settings are ready. Then click next. So my system is ready to reset. So once you are happy with these details, just click the reset. So this option is only for reinstalling OS. Now I will show you the second step. Click the cancel and repeat the same steps again to. So and now I am selecting the second one, remove everything. Remove all your personal files, apps and settings. Before selecting this option, please keep in mind, please take up your backup personal files, important personal files. Please take up your backup because this option will get remove all your files from your PC. So you are going to lose those information. So advice is please take backup of your files like storing in Google Drive or OneDrive. Then you can restore it back after resetting everything. So you will get this option. This is the repeat step for the same like first one. So I'll go for local reinstall, and here you will get additional settings. These are the very important. So select these additional settings, choose the whichever you want. Clean the data. So if you wanted to remove all files, this quicker but less secure, you can select the which if you wanted clean data. Download Windows, and this is the important, delete files from all drives. Delete files only from Windows drive. So this is, if you don't select this one, it won't delete, it will delete only Windows drive like C drive. So if you want to delete remaining drives also like C, D, E, you can select this option. So I hope I wanted, if you wanted to clean enter your PC, select this to yes. Then it will remove all your files. So I have selected these three options and confirm while I am doing. And once you are happy, just click confirm and click next. So this will do the same thing like previous step. So it is saying, so please go read all this information, reset. Once you click the reset, it will reset your PC. While resetting, so you need to be stay there, and it will take some long time. For me it took around 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours, so it is long process. So while doing, it will ask some information like internet setup or your it will ask some details, yes or no details. So you just need to click the confirm as per the screen, and it will take care for you. So it is very easy and secure instead of going to someone ask to do. For us, we can do alone with these quick steps. I hope you understand something. And as I mentioned, if you are going for second option, please back up your files and restore after done. Otherwise, you are going to lose your data. Please keep in mind. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.